Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you are in good condition today. So I will teach you how to make the defender in Scratch. Okay, first, so I will show you the demonstration. You press start, and then there's a three level, easy, medium, and hard. You firstly, I will pick easy. To win, you have to kill the boss. When the boss reaches the base camp, you will lose. And when you defeat the boss, you will win. And okay, that's for the demonstration. Here's the code for the player. Here's for the player moving like this. And when space click, it will launch the bullet, and the bullet code is like this. If touching edge or enemy, it will explode. And this is for the bullet go to the player and then launch. The base camp is like this. When easy, you can change the base camp HP to 15. Yeah, the base camp HP you can choose whatever you like. And when touching by enemy, change by -1 and saying my HP is getting when touching boss, the HP will change by -5. And when the HP is below 0, broadcast die and stop. Same as the medium and the hard one. And the enemy boss code is like this. You can set the boss HP when easy to 20, when medium to 40, and when hard. And when boss HP reaches 0, it will explode. Brightness change to 60, broadcast die, and stop. And when boss is touching bullet, it will change by -1. And when boss spawns, it will spawn between this corner or this corner. And spawns, it will play a sound, and then switch custom to enemy boss. Saying this points toward base camp. Move 2 steps. The easy code is like this. Same as the medium and hard one, but you just change the broadcast. Start codes like this. Then the enemy code is like this. And touching bullet, it will switch custom to explosion with 0.1 second and then hide. And if touching base camp, it will switch custom to explosion with 0.1 second and then hide at this code. So it will spawn in the easy and medium and hard mode. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you can make this game as good. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.